Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you want to set recurring invoice in QuickBooks, then this video is for you. So without wasting any much time, let's get into the video. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online account using your login credentials like your email address and the password. Once you have logged in, you can simply click on this plus new button here and go to the invoice. So from this invoice section where you can create an invoice easily after adding the customer name, customer email address, that invoice date, and all the details. I'll list all the product and the amount here. After creating complete this invoice here, you can find the gear icon where you can simply click on it, where you can also add some custom fit from here. So if you want to make your invoice recurring, you can find make recurring option at the bottom here. So you can simply click on it. So here you can see the invoice has just added to the recurring inbox. So the invoice here, so that's how you can create a recurring invoice here, where you can easily edit any section here, like more of option here that you can add the interval here. So you can schedule it how and also you can set the schedule date, and also you can set the interval from here. So once you have set the interval, you can easily create a recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online. Then simply click on save template and you are good to go. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.